back down here, guys, and yeah, I just feel like keeping it up. I feel like this is the only thing that's helping me right now with, just keeping my head balanced and centered, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm back here again, gonna work out again, but yeah, whatever you need to do to kind of help your mental, do it, you know what I mean? um, do whatever helps. For me, in my particular situation right now, you know, every morning, I've just, you know what I mean, I'm just waking up with thoughts, you know what I mean? All right, guys, we're gonna do a little skip again. Got a little bit of rain, which is nice. It's a little bit more motivating. All right, warm up, warm up, warm up. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this. Alright, gonna go again. Let's get my balance again, guys. Whew. Oh. Alright, do a few steps. Do some dumbbell curls.